Hello guys, welcome to day 16 of starting my own birdie pudding business, and oh man, I thought I'd be doing better. My shop has been up for a couple days, but no sales. I just filmed this video, but I'm using my front camera, but I didn't see that I forgot to switch it around, so I just filmed the floor, so I'm refilming it. It's been rough. Please, the link is down in the description, or pinned at the top of the comment section. Please at least check it out. We've got some fidget cubes, swords, only really 2 items, but I've been up for like 3 days. Please check me out. Don't mind that, and follow me for day 17. Have a great day.